Guys, Laura with Garden Answer. Today I want to talk about the 2020 perennial of the year, which is denim and lace Russian sage, and one of my personal favorites out in my garden. I've had these planted for about the past 3 years around a large urn in our formal garden, and you would not believe the amount of color and beauty they have added to that space, all while being incredibly low maintenance. The things that I really love about this plant are that they thrive in really crummy soil. We have very high pH soil, and we have a struggle with some things keeping them happy, but this Russian sage just thrives and is beautiful. They also like full hot sun, and they don't require a lot of water. They attract a ton of pollinators. You will see butterflies and honeybees just buzzing around them all the time, and they're much smaller than the traditional Russian sage. So these will grow about 32 inches tall and 38 inches wide, very compact. It almost seems like it's a larger version of a Russian sage that's just been smushed into a smaller version. So it looks much more dense, like the blooms are much thicker and fuller. So it's much more striking. They're also a zone 4 through 9, so incredibly winter hardy. And I just love the fact that they require so little from me out in the garden, but yet they give so much back. And because they're the 2020 perennial of the year, they should be readily available. You can find this plant at Reston Farm Garden Market.